Hi, I'm Mushija Hevavitarana, a final year undergraduate of the Business School of IIT. This is a demonstration for the solution of the problem that I found during my final year project research. Finexo is a personal finance management solution and an Android application which is designed and developed to address the gaps in personal finance management process. The whole purpose behind Finexo is to help people in managing their incomes and expenses without them manually entering those data, to help them understand their behavior of income and expenses using graphical representations and analysis, and to help them in achieving their future financial goals. During the process of creating the user profile, the user should enter the mobile number that they are receiving the transaction messages from the bank, and if the correct account number of the respective bank account is entered in the system, Finexo will save it in the database, and once a transaction SMS is received, the Finexo will capture and identify the account number and also will categorize the income messages, expenses messages and the promotions, and will update the overview page and the promotions page accordingly. Once the user downloads the application and opens it, the user will be directed to a sign up page. In order to create a user profile, the user should enter all the required information accordingly. Most importantly, the contact number should be the mobile number that they are receiving the transaction messages from the bank. Upon clicking the Save button, a user profile will be created and the user will be directed to the overview page. Once the user revisits the application, the user will be directed to the login page where they could enter their login credentials and simply log into the system. Upon login, the user will be directed to the overview page where they could view a summary of all the incomes, expenses and the account details. This is the profile tab and this is the navigation pane where the user could find all the features that they could perform. In order to create a bank account, the user can navigate to the Accounts tab and enter all the required information accordingly. Upon adding an account, the system will identify the account number if it's a credit card or a debit card and will update the values in the overview page accordingly upon receiving a transaction message. This is a deposit message. Once this deposit message is received, the overview page will be updated accordingly upon refreshing the overview page. And once a withdrawal message is received, it will also updated in the same way. This is a withdrawal transaction message, and upon refreshing the overview page will be updated accordingly. Also, the user could view the promotions from the banks. For that, a promotion message should be received from the mobile number. This is a promotions message that is received by the bank, and upon navigating to the promotions tab, the user will be able to see all the promotions by filtering it accordingly. They could either see only the credit card promotions or the debit card promotions as they prefer. And once the user is navigated to the reports page, they could see the graphical analysis of their incomes and expenses. They could filter it as only withdrawals, only deposits, or withdrawals versus deposits, or the credit card transactions and the debit card transactions. And in order to waive the recent transactions, the user could navigate to the transaction tab and filter the details accordingly in order to see the transactions. They could set a goal by navigating to the Goals tab. They could create a goal by entering the required information that is asked in the goal screen. Once a goal is entered, and if the goal is achieved by the customer, the overview page will be updated saying that the goal is achieved for this month or this day. The user could revisit the goals page and filter current goals and the achieved goals accordingly. The overall flow of the functionality is displayed for the Finexo application, and it is clear how Finexo help people to manage their personal finances, mainly the incomes and expenses, and to be aware of their financial background. Thank you.